Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are doing very good and you are also enjoying and learning from our playlist of previous year question series of each chapter in CBSE class 10 physics. And we also have started experimental learning in which we are doing so many experiments and showing so many equipments to students which they will not see in their academic purposes. As a part of that, today I brought you one more video. In this video, what are we going to study? We are going to study color coding of carbon resistances, right? So these all are the resistances, carbon resistances, which are made of carbon. So we are going to find out the value of each resistance. How to find the value of each resistance? Let us see now. So there will be so many colors. Which colors are used? These colors are used: black, brown, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, violet, gray, and white. We have given numbers also for each color: 0, 1, 2, 3, like that until 9. Okay. So now to find out the resistance of any resistor, we should be knowing these numbers for each color. For which color, which is the number that should be having in our mind. After having that, we should be having one formula. What is that? A B into 10 power C plus or minus D. D will be the tolerance percentage. What is A? You should not multiply A into B. Suppose A is 1 and B is 2. You should not do 1 into 2. You should keep it as 1 to 12. Suppose A is 3, B is 4. You should not multiply 3 into 4 as 12. You should keep it as 34, 3, 4. Okay, into 10 power C. C will be the one more color. See, now I'll take one example and I'll explain to you. Let us take this resistance. See, first, you should be knowing how to hold the resistance. You should be holding the resistance in such a way that gold color will be at the right side. See here, there is a color, correct? Gold color is there. Gold color should be at the right side. Which color should be at the right side? See, tolerance colors. See, gold, silver, none. In these three colors, one color will be there. You should identify. See, for this resistance, which is there, gold is there. So the tolerance color should be at the right side. Like that, you should hold the resistance first. After holding it, what is the first color present here? Orange. That orange will be A. A. Okay, na? Orange. What is orange number? 3. Correct? So 3. Next, see which color is there? Next is also orange. Orange means again 3. 33 into 10 power. C means third color. What is present here? Third color. See, third color. Third color is present here is brown. See neatly. Brown. Correct? So what is brown number here? Black brown. 10 power 1 plus or minus D. Which is D present? Last color which is present here? Gold. Gold is 5% plus or minus 5%. So see now 33 into 10 power 1. It is 33 into 10, 330 plus or minus 5%. This is the value of this resistance. See, it is written here already, 330 ohms. Okay, let us take one more resistance. Let us take this resistance. See now, it is written here as 12K. 12K, correct? Let us verify now whether it is 12K or not. So first we have to find out how to hold the resistance. How to hold the resistance? See now, where is the gold color? Gold color is now towards the left side. Here is the gold color, correct? So first hold the resistance in a correct way. This is the way how to hold a resistance now. So now see, what is the first color there? Identify the first color. First color is brown, correct? Right. So A is brown. Brown number is 1. 1. Now second color B. What is second color there? See once neatly. Second color is red. Neatly you can see second color is red. Correct? So second color is red. What is red number? 12. 12 into 10 power C. C is the third color. What is third color present there? See once. Third color is orange. So orange number is 3. 12 into 10 power 3 plus or minus D. D is the fourth color. Fourth color is gold. Correct? So gold is 5% plus or minus 5%. So now 12 into 10 cube is 12 kilo ohms plus or minus 5%. See written here 12k already. Like that, there will be so many number of resistances, and we can find out the value of each resistance. See now, if you look at these resistances, which resistance is very small, this resistance is very small, correct? So take that resistance now. Let us verify what is its value. See, see, this is the smallest resistance we had. It has 150 kilo ohms. Means when the resistance is very small, the resistance value will be very high. This resistance, let us take this resistance. This resistance has a resistance value of 100 ohms. And next, this resistance, let us take. This has a resistance of 1170 kilo ohms. And this resistance, let us take. This has a resistance of 202 ohms. Like that, this resistance has a resistance of 100 ohms. That E which is written there, E means resistance. In what do we call laboratory words, E means resistance. So this is the resistances and color coding resistance. There will be so many resistances. We can find the resistance of any resistor by using this method. Thank you so much. We'll meet in the next video.